In this video, I'll guide you through how to speed up audio in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're working on a video project that needs a little more energy or you're trying to fit a specific time constraint, adjusting the speed of your audio can make a significant impact. So let's dive right in and see how you can do this efficiently. First, you want to make sure you're on the edit page within DaVinci Resolve. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to making changes to your clips. Once you're there, locate the audio clip you wish to speed up in your timeline. Right-clicking on this clip will open a menu of options for you. From the list that appears, you'll need to select Change Clip Speed. This is where you get to adjust how fast or slow you want your audio to play. It's a straightforward process, but the key is knowing exactly how much you want to alter the speed. Now, you'll see a speed percentage box. Here's where you can increase the speed of your audio. For instance, setting it to 150% will make your audio play faster. The number you choose depends on how much you want to speed things up. Keep in mind that a higher percentage will result in faster playback. If you're unsure, you can experiment with different values to see what best fits your project. There's also an option within this window called pitch correction. If you want your audio to maintain its natural pitch even when sped up, make sure to tick this box. This is particularly useful if you're working with dialogue or music and want to avoid that chipmunk style effect that can occur when audio is sped up. However, if you're looking for a more playful, high-pitched sound, you can leave this box unticked. It all depends on the effect you're aiming to achieve. And that's it. You've now learned a quick and simple way to speed up audio in DaVinci Resolve. This method is not only efficient, but also gives you flexibility in maintaining audio quality or altering it for creative effects. Remember that you can always go back and adjust the speed percentage or pitch correction if needed. So don't hesitate to experiment until you're satisfied with the result. By following these steps, you can ensure your audio fits perfectly with your video's pacing and style. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy editing!